Hello, my YouTube family. I am back with another video that I'm going to do. I'm going to kind of do this the cheap way. This is going to be a video if you are a Southerner crab chilua sauce. Usually you do this out of blue crabs. However, as you can tell in the video, I have 2 cans of lump crab meat, which I have never tried. So this is a trial and error video. I have some jumbo scallops that I'm going to use, along with some andouille sausage and some tomatoes. I also have some tomato paste that was previously frozen, and my onions and peppers that was previously frozen. So I'm going to go ahead and start chopping this up so we can get it started. Okay, I have my andouille sausage out of the package, and I'm going to just start slicing this down the center and cubing it. Just like so. Oh, let me go ahead and get my oil in the pan. Turn my stove on. This is just my old trusty olive oil. About a 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil. And I'm going to go ahead and finish slicing my sausage. And this is all I'm doing, just slicing. Okay, family, here I am cutting and cubing my scallops because they are jumbo. So I'm going to add that to my andouille sausage, which is already cubed. I'm sorry, I forgot to show you that. But again, I'm just cubing my scallops, and I'm going to put them in a bowl to get them all seasoned up. I'm giving my sausage a good stir so they can cook evenly. Alright, family, now that I have my scallops in a bowl, I'm going to season them with garlic powder and Old Bay seasoning. Good old Bay. Good, good, good. And you probably ask yourself, why so much? Because this is going to be put in a sauce, so less that I have to add to the sauce. And I don't know, I've just decided to stir them because I didn't want to use my hand. So now I'm going to drop them in with the sausage, because all of this does not take that long to cook. So there you have it. So I'll be right back. Let me get my lump crab meat opened. Alright, family, here is what the lump crab meat looks like, and here is the other crab meat. This is what it looks like. So I think this is a good start, because eventually I will graduate and buy the fresh out of the seafood section. But when I went to look for it, they didn't have any. They were all sold out. So, be right back. Okay, family, this is a tip. If you've never purchased this and this is your first time, I am spooning this out, and I'm glad I decided to do that because it is like the crab meat is sitting in like some wax paper or something. I'll show you once I get it out of the can, because usually when you open up a can, let's just say tuna, you just dump the whole can of the contents out of the can into whatever you're making. So again, I'm glad I didn't do that because there is paper in here, and that wouldn't have been too pretty. But so far, the lump crab meat looks good, and I can see myself purchasing this to make a seafood salad. So that's to be in another video. And see, here is the paper. Almost puts you in the mind of a baking cup. And here they have paper on the lid. Maybe that's so that the liquids don't escape. I'm not sure. Alright, family, as you see, I got all of it in the pot, and I'm just going to give it a stir like so. I'm going to turn the burner down, and to this I'm going to go ahead and add my onions and peppers, dropping that in like so. This is so easy, family, to already have this section out. And here's my tomato paste, and I'm going to grab some water because you have to add water to tomato paste. So be right back. Okay, family, I blended my tomatoes down, and there I did not have to add any more water because to the tomato paste, because this is kind of like a chunky sauce, and I'm going to add some more Old Bay because I want it to have a little kick to it. Old Bay is spicy, or can be, and for people that like things much spicier, you can add some chili peppers to it, spicy peppers, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want to cry. I want to enjoy my food. So all else I'm going to do is put a pinch of sugar in it to cut down on the acidity, and that's going to be it, family. Okay, here's my sugar, and that's how much I'm putting in there, and this is going to be it. So with that, family, I hope you like this quick video on a version of, like I said earlier, a cheap version of doing crab challah. And I'm going to put this over noodles. So here's what it looks like. Yummy, yummy, yummy. That looks amazing. So if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button. After you hit the subscribe button, comment in the comment section and put I subscribe so I know that you subscribe, and I'll meet you there. Hit the bell notification so I know that you will never miss another one of my videos. Thumbs up the video and share it with all of your family and friends. And with that being said, take care and be safe.